Welcome to JH. In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how to configure your own chatbot using Botpress, an impressive AI-powered tool for automating customer interactions on your website. Regardless of whether you run a small business or work within a larger organization, having a chatbot available 24/7 can truly transform your operations. Before we begin, consider the last time you went online for assistance. Most likely, you looked for a chat box to type a question. That is the core benefit of chatbots. They are always there to provide answers and enhance the visitor's experience. A chatbot acts like a digital employee on your site that can handle questions, book appointments, and provide customer support. Think of it as a constant assistant for e-commerce stores, restaurants, or professional services, helping your business run more efficiently with instant replies. Botpress is a powerful, scalable platform that is free to start with, and you don't need to be a technical expert to use it. First, navigate to botpress.com to get started. On the homepage, click the Get Started button. You do not need to worry about entering payment details right now, as the platform is free for initial use. Next, sign up using your email or accounts like Google, GitHub, or LinkedIn. For this guide, I will register with my Google account. Once signed in, you will access your personal dashboard where all your chatbot projects are stored and organized. Now, set up your first workspace. Think of a workspace as a project folder for all your bot's components. For example, if you are building a bot for a wellness business, you can name it Wellness Consultation Bot to keep things tidy. In this workspace, you can manage conversation flows and integrations, making it easy to track your progress whether you are working alone or with a team. Workspaces ensure your projects remain streamlined and professional. Once your workspace is ready, click on Create New Chatbot. Botpress offers several paths. You can start with a blank canvas, use pre-designed templates, or try AI-driven personality bots. For beginners, I recommend the blank canvas to maintain full control over the design and functionality. This leads you into the Botpress Studio, the heart of the building process. This intuitive environment allows you to design, configure, and test your bot using drag-and-drop tools. You can build the decision-making logic by defining specific conditions and actions based on what the user types. Whether your bot is helping with navigation, giving product advice, or handling bookings, you have the freedom to customize every detail. You can even add rich media like images, buttons, and quick reply options to make the chat more interactive and reflective of your brand's personality. The Botpress Studio also features a built-in testing tool, so you can simulate chats and fix any issues before the bot goes live. Before diving deep into the build, let's establish a basic knowledge base. Your bot needs key information about your business to be helpful. In Botpress, you can create this by simply linking your existing website. Paste your URL, and the platform will scan your site to pull in relevant content like return policies or FAQ sections. This allows the bot to answer inquiries automatically without manual programming for every single question. This setup is highly efficient for businesses that need standard procedures accessible 24/7. Once connected, your bot can provide real-time, accurate answers about delivery, availability, or returns, saving your support team time and improving customer satisfaction. You can update this knowledge base anytime your business details change. Now, let's build your first conversation flow. A flow is a blueprint that guides the bot through smooth interactions. When a visitor arrives, the bot can offer a friendly greeting and ask an open-ended question like, "How can I help you today?" These interactions are organized into nodes, which are individual blocks serving specific purposes. For example, one node handles the greeting while another answers a specific question. If a user wants to learn about services, the bot can then provide a list or link to relevant pages. This flexibility allows for complex flows that handle everything from recommendations to troubleshooting. One of the best features is using variables to personalize the chat. By remembering a user's name or interests, the bot feels less robotic and more like a real assistant. Variables can also help you collect data like emails or phone numbers for follow-ups. Triggers are the starting points that activate the bot, such as when a user types support or inquiry. You can also define actions, which are tasks the bot performs automatically, like sending an email or retrieving product info. By combining the right triggers and actions, your bot provides immediate value and keeps users engaged. Furthermore, Botpress uses natural language understanding to help the bot grasp complex queries and handle various language styles. Before launching, test everything in the studio to ensure the flows work perfectly. When you are satisfied, deploy the bot by copying the embed code into your website's HTML, whether you use WordPress, Wix, or a custom site. You can even add advanced features like social logins, payment gateways, or integrations with Slack and Facebook Messenger to expand your reach.